50,000 word scholarship is sponsored to the students of engineering, architecture, medical or any other undergraduate courses. In this video I am going to explain you each and every detail about this scholarship, so keep watching the video till the end. The Global Scholarship. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am excited to share a fantastic news with you all. Swami Dayanand Education Foundation is sponsoring 50,000 World Scholarship to the students of engineering, medical, architecture and all undergraduate students. To apply for this scholarship, your family income should be less than 6 lakhs rupees and the applicant must have secured 75% or a CGPA of 7.5% in class 12. Here are the documents you need to have before applying for this scholarship. 10th and 12th mark sheet, academic all semester mark sheets, like if you are pursuing in second or third year of your course, then you should have a previous year mark sheets. Then copy of a fees receipt, seat allotment letter, a copy of scholarship if you have bagged any or education loan if you have any, a copy of your family photo along with your inside the home or outside the home photographs, copy of a ID proof, ration card proof, income certificate or provide the payslips of last 3 months, copy of electricity bill, document of agricultural land or the pic of the shops and the rent agreement if any. Before we proceed further, if you find value in what we are doing and you would like to see more number of scholarship related videos, then consider hitting the subscribe button and be a part of our community. Your support inspires us to create more content to help more students like you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned with the upcoming scholarship informations along with the educational videos. So let's begin with the application process. This is the online based application process. Let's begin with this scholarship, that is Swami Dayanand Education Foundation Scholarship Program. So in this, we have lot of fields to be filled, so please keep watching the video patiently and fill out all the details carefully. First, upload your passport size photograph, enter your college roll number or the attendance number which you have, enter your full name as per your certificate. It is same as in your class 10th or 12th mark sheet, date of birth, current address and the permanent address. Make sure all the fields are mandatory, so fill out all the details with patiently and carefully. Select your gender accordingly. Enter your mobile number. Make sure enter the valid mobile number. It's a mandatory field, and enter the WhatsApp number as well. If possible, enter an alternate number. Provide an email ID and make sure that verify your email ID. So to verify that, you have to provide the valid email addresses. You will get a verification code to your given email ID. Enter the name of the college or the institute where you are studying. Please mention the category of the college, whether it's a private or government. Name of the course which you have selected, mention that, and the semester where you are studying in. The drop down will display over there, and from there you select the semester where you are studying in. And all India ranking, that is, it might be in a NEET, it might be in a JEE or state exam or none. So select accordingly the option and mention your ranking over there. Then other competitive exams, if you have attended any, mention that. Do you have any educational loan? If yes or no, select accordingly the option. Then next comes up with the family annual income. Mention the overall family income over there and annual fees including all categories of the fee structure. Then fees particulars and requirement per year, tuition fees, books fees, uniform fees, hostel fees or a mess fees, anything like that, fill out all the details carefully. Then fee particular requirements as per the year, like it might be constitutional fees or the parent. Have you received any other scholarship? If yes, then mention along with the amount. Educational loans, if you have any, enter that. Stipends, if you have received any, fill out all the details and you have to write the total fees of the mentioned fields above. Then if you have applied for any of SDEF scholarship earlier, select yes or no accordingly. Are you a first graduate in your family? Select accordingly yes or no. Do you have a BPL card? Select accordingly yes or no. Then are you physically handicapped? Select accordingly. Number of family members including yourself, mention the numbers. Then mention if you have any Waive off in the fees from the institution side, mention that clearly. Do you have gap in your class 12? Mention about that also. Family earlier expenditures, what all you have, like college fees, expenses, electricity bill, other household expenses, average total expenditure of the family you have to mention. Then next fill out all the academic records starting from class 5th to till down. So now let's begin with the further family details like your father name, age of your father, father's phone number. Then mention the details about the father occupation like service of the government, private service sector, agriculture, business or any other details. Then let's begin with the educational details of your father like education, name of the subject, year of passing, university. Then similar to that, fill out all the details of your mother like name of the mother, age of the mother. If your mother is a working woman, then select the job role accordingly. Then fill out her education details. Then once you fill out with the details about your father and mother, then fill out the details about your siblings like the name, age, college of the school where they are studying and fees per month. Then how frequent usage of the email you do. After filling all the family details, then click on a save button and a next button to move with the further application process. So let's begin to fill out the other details which are related with this scholarship. The amenities at home, like what all you have facilities at your home, car, two-wheeler, AC, laptop, select accordingly. If you have multiple options, you can select multiple also. Do you have a own house? If yes, then write accordingly. If you are staying in a rented house, please attach the rental agreement over there. Do you have any agricultural or commercial residence land? Please mention accordingly. And do you want to return this money without interest after joining the job? Select accordingly, yes or no. How did you hear about this scholarship? Then please mention over that you have heard this scholarship information from the Global Scholarship. Then please do write 2 references from your college management. The details like name, designation, email ID and the phone number. Then comes up with the uploading lot of files which you need to upload here like your mark sheet of 10th and 12th. Then mark sheet of your previous semesters if you are pursuing in 2nd or 3rd year. Upload the academic mark sheets, upload the seat allotment letter, upload a copy of fees receipt, upload the residential proof, upload a copy of ID proof, upload the salary slips, that is ITR filing or income certificate or past 3 months salary slips, and upload the picture of family photograph along with inside and outside the home. Once you upload with all the documents which are mentioned over there, then click on the save button and click on the next button to continue with the further application process. Now there is the questionnaires which have been asked by the scholarship provider. Answer all the queries or the questions accordingly with the 1 or 2 lines of explanation. After answering all the questions, then you need to click on the captcha button to prove that you are a human, not a bot. Then click on the checkbox, that's a self-declaration where it proves that all the information what you have given above in all the applications are true. Then click on the submit button, there you are done with the application process. While applying the scholarship, read out all the eligibility criteria carefully and fill out all the correct information along with the required documents. Make sure that all the documents are duly attested by the college authorities. Please provide an accurate email ID, phone number and address for the further communication. And the provider has reserved the 50% for a girl student. I hope this information helps you and please share this information with every student who is eligible for this. Signing off, take care and don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. Thank you.